ये बाजू है रे यार आता. ये काय ते स्लाइड शो कसं करता रे? स्लाइड शो फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग. Hello everyone. We are the student of Mechanical Engineering from KBT COE College of Engineering Nashik are here to represent a topic thermodynamics and system. So I will begin with myself. My name Pratik Patil and my fellow group members Harsh More, Durvankur Pardeshi, Bansil Patel and Sumit Shelar are going to play or explain the topic engineering in thermodynamics guided by Arvind Kapse sir. So I will begin with myself. I will be explaining thermodynamic system. What is thermodynamic system? A thermodynamic system is a body of matter and or a radiation confined in a space by a walls with a definite parabilities which separate it from its surroundings. A widely used distinction is between isolated, closed and open thermodynamic system. A thermodynamic system is embedded in its environment or surroundings through which it can exchange heat with anything and on and do work on it. It exchanges the heat to the surroundings through a boundary. Boundary is the wall of the wall that separates the systems and the environment. Thermodynamics system can exchange energy or matter with external environment can also undergo a internal transformation. Thank you. Now Dhruvankur will explain the further topics.
Thank you, Pratik. Please change the slide. System boundary. System boundary, it is a boundary that defined as the border that separates the system from the external environment. For example, internet in a building is a system that comprises of the hardware and software and its data. Surroundings. A system is defined as the quantity of matter or region in a space for that the thermodynamic study. The mass and system is called as the surroundings. System. The certain quantity of matter and space which is under thermodynamic study is known as system. Now I will hand over to Pratik.
Thank you, Dhruvankur. Now my fellow group members will explain the different three types of systems in thermodynamics. Hand over to you, Harsh More.
Thank you, Pratik. Myself, Harsh More, roll number 27. I will explain open system. If the thermodynamic system has the capacity to exchange both matter and energy with its surrounding, it is said to be an open system. Example, consider a beaker in the presence of reactant in an open beaker. Here, the boundary is an imaginary surface enclosing the beaker and reactant. Example, a steam turbine, a pool filled with water where the water can enter or leave the pool. Thank you. Ex- I will hand over to Bansil Patel.
Sure. Myself, number 29. I am going to explain closed system. A system which has the ability to exchange only energy with its surroundings and cannot exchange matter. It is known as a closed system. Example, reactants placed in a closed vessel made of materials like steel, copper, and silver are an ideal example of a closed system, since the material of the vessels is conducting in nature. A cylinder in which the valve is closed is an example of a closed system. When the cylinder is heated or cooled, it does not lose its matters. Thank you. Hand over to you, Rohit.
Thank you, Bansil. Myself, Sumit Chela. Now I am going to explain isolated system. A system which cannot exchange the matter or energy with the surrounding is known as isolated system. The zeroth law of thermodynamics states that thermodynamic processes do not affect the total energy of the system. Example: reactant present in a thermos flask or an isolated vessel where neither energy nor the matter is exchanged with the environment. Example: if the piston and cylinder arranged in which the fluid like air or gas is being compressed or expanded is insulated, it becomes an isolated system. Thank you. Now I request to Pratik to hand over the next presentation.
Thank you, Sumit. Thank you, sir, for an wonderful opportunity for us. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank